everyone, my name is Vidit Ganotra. I am from class 4D. Today, I will do an activity of social science on the guidance of my social science teacher, Miss Ritu Kapoor ma'am. So, according to my roll number, today I will tell you about Udaipur. Udaipur is also known as the city of lakes and is a city in the states of Rajasthan. It was founded by Uday Singh II. The city is located near the Gujarat borders. It is surrounded by the Aravalli mountain ranges, which separates it from the Thar desert. There are 7 lakes in 5 of the major lakes. There are 7 lakes, and 5 of the major lakes are Fateh Sagar Lake, Lake of Pichola, Swaroop Sagar Lake, Rang Sagar Lake, and Doodh Talai Lake. The Udaipur economy is a primary driven by tourism. Udaipur is well known for handicrafts such as painting, silver art, and handloom products. When I went to Udaipur, I bought these bags. These are very pretty and these are very designable, very colorful. So we bought this from Udaipur. Now let me take you to a tour of Udaipur. City of Lakes. The Darbar Hall, Fateh Prakash Palace Hotel. This is the Darbar Hall found in the Fateh Prakash Palace Hotel. This is City Palace. It is on the Lake Pichola. You can see the white. This is the City Palace on the Lake Pichola. These hills are the Aravalli Hills. This is the view across the Lake Pichola. This is the Lake Palace. That white color is the Lake Palace. This is early morning. You can see it is very beautiful. This is the palace This is the mandir called Jag Mandir. This is another mandir in Udaipur. This is the Aravalli Hills. This is the Jagdish Temple. This is the sunset over Lake Fateh Sagar. This is the Garden of Rain. A few years back, when I went here, I bought a beautiful pencil. Wow! It on the top it has a sun. It is looking very beautiful. This is the Garden of the Rain. It is having many fountains. The temperature of Udaipur is very pleasant all the time because it is having many lakes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Anshika Arora. I am studying in class 4G. Today I am going to do an activity of social science. So let's start. You know which is a pink city? Any guesses? Yes, it is Jaipur. Things to do in Jaipur? Visit forts and palaces. Palaces are Amer Fort, City Palace, Jantar Mantar and Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is also
Hello everyone, I am Ranj Gupta of class 4D studying in VSPK International School. Today I am going to carry out an activity on guidance of my social studies teacher Miss Ritu Kapoor ma'am. Now in this activity I will tell you about Udaipur, southernmost city of Rajasthan, near Gujarat boundaries, surrounded by Aravalli Hills with Thar Desert. It is also known as City of Lakes. But why Udaipur is called City of Lakes? Because of its lake system. There are major 5 lakes in Udaipur. These are Dutala Lake, Fateh Sagar Lake, Lake Pichola, Swaroop Sagar Lake, and the last one is Rang Sagar. Historically, it was the capital of Kingdom of Mewar. Udaipur was made by Uday Singh II. It is popular for its historic forts. Women of Udaipur wear ghagra choli and men of Udaipur wear angrakha, that means kurta, and dhoti. Some popular dance are Bhavai, Ghumar, Kachhi Ghodi, Kalbelia, and Tera Tali. Dal Bati Churma is famous dish. Thank you. This is it.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Tanya Kamboj and today I am gonna start my social science activity. Chapter number 4, the Western Deserts. Jaisalmer city was founded in the 12th century by Maharaja Reval Jaisal, who later established his kingdom the same place. Jaisalmer is named after Maharaja Jaisal. He built the Jaisalmer fort also. A visit to the Jaisalmer fort provides amazing experience. The Thar Desert in the Jaisalmer is the world's 9th largest tropical desert. Jaisalmer is a land of wonders, culture, and a rich heritage. It is one of the most popular tourist destination also. It is also known as the Golden City. Every corner of the city has something amaze travelers. Even a colorful turban worn by a menfolk that make you feel like you have gone back in the time. In that time, women wear colorful dresses just like me. In short, Jaisalmer is a very beautiful city. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Tejaswini Sagar. Today I want to present an activity on Udaipur. Udaipur is a city in Rajasthan in India. It is also known as City of Lakes and Kashmir of Rajasthan. Udaipur is a capital of Kingdom of Mewar in the former Rajasthana Agency. Uday Singh has found this city in the year of 1558. There are many river lakes in the Udaipur such as Fateh Sagar Lake, Swarup Sagar Lake, Rang Sagar Lake, Doodh Talai Lake and Lake Pichola. Beside lakes, Udaipur is also known for its sports, places, museums, galleries, natural locations, gardens, architectural temples, as well as traditional fairs, festivals, and structures. The traditional dress of men is Angarakha and Dhoti, and the traditional dress of women is top and Ghagara. Some famous food in Udaipur are Dal Bati Churma, Pav Bhaji, Mini Mirchi Vada, etc. And thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I versus of class 4D is going to present an activity on Bikaner. Bikaner is a city in northwest of Rajasthan. It is a part of Largar Palace. The monument in Bikaner is Court Gate and Gatner Place. The famous food is Bikaner Bhujia and Raj Kachori. The famous festival is Bikaner Camel Festival and Fair. It is also famous for art, craft and dance. Rajputana dress material is famous in Bikaner. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Sanji, student of class 4D. I am presenting an activity done by our social science teacher Miss Ritu Kapoor ma'am. My topic is Jodhpur. This activity is based on Chapter 4, The Western Deserts. Let's start. Jodhpur is a city in the Thar Desert of the northwest Indian states of the Rajasthan. We all know Jodhpur lies an extreme type of climate. There, most of houses are painted blue as blue paints keeps houses cool. Therefore, Jodhpur, also known as Blue City of India, Mehrangarh Fort is one of the largest forts in Jodhpur, India. Majestic Mehrangarh Fort, which rises above the city, is one of the largest forts. Jodhpur pink sandstone is a kind of pink sandstone carried in India. This stone is good for building stone wood coping monuments. It also called desert pink sandstone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning teachers and my dear friend. My name is Shaurya Garg from class 4D. Today I am going to tell you about Jodhpur, a western desert in Rajasthan. Historically, Jodhpur was capital of the kingdom of Marawar, but now Jodhpur is part of Rajasthan. It is popularly known as Blue City. It is known as Blue City because the buildings in the oldest district are painted in a light shade of blue. Gulab jamun ki sabzi and meaty delights like lal mas are favorite food of Jodhpur. It is popular tourist destination because of palaces, fort and temple. October to March is good time to visit.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Ridma Seni of class 4D. Today I am going to explore the city of Jodhpur. Jodhpur is popularly known as the Blue City. Popular places are forts, temples and Thar Desert and palaces. Native language is Marwari and Rajasthani. Climate hot and dry. Natural vegetation khejdi, babul and bir. Fruits pomegranate and guava. Animals desert fox and leopard. Farmers grow bajra and wheat. Masalas like red chili. Lifestyle traditional dress. Women ghagra choli and odhni and men dhoti kurta and turban. Famous dish dal bati churma and lapsi. Famous dance Ghumar. Festivals Gangaur. Tourist places Mehram Fort, Ghantaghar and Kalyana Lake. Temples Sri Chamunda Mata Temple and Kunj Bihari Temple. Thank you and have a nice